What's up YouTube, Biz Matthew here once again with another video, and in today's video we're going to be talking about wholesaling land. I'm currently in the process of purchasing some land out in Georgia, and so I may wholesale it, I may just keep it and hold it, we'll see. Before we go on, be sure to like this video, subscribe, turn on post notification bell, and comment down below. So wholesaling land can be a very tricky thing to do, but with the right concepts and the right strategies, you can wholesale lands for huge profits. Now, the number one key I would say when wholesaling land is to get it at a very steep discount. So for example, this property that I'm looking at out in Georgia, the fair market value, what it's been appraised for, what I see on different websites is 20 grand. Right? So 20 grand. So this lead came in actually through a Facebook lead I run small Facebook campaigns, just like $5 a day. And sometimes people fill in their information. So that's the thing I do. And so she called me. She was like, hey, I have this land. I know I can sell it for this amount. She knows the appraisal value. She says she knows people that sold similar land for like 13 grand, and she said she was only looking for 7,500, 7,000 for the land. So I was like, okay, let me do my research and I'll call you later. And so in the next video, I will show you all a live call with a potential land deal. So she's asking for around 7 grand for this land. For you to get a very deep discount, the value is 20 grand. I would ask 1,500, 2 grand for this land. And so you have to go very steep. So 2 grand is 10% of basically the market value, which is insane, but this is land. And another thing about this specific land, you have to know the zoning, you have to know all the regulations. So this is zone residential. There are a few houses around it, but the thing is with this land, it's kind of steep where the land is. And you can build a house on it, but it gets very tricky. And the thing is there are houses on the steep above it, but you know it takes a certain type of buyer to buy those type of land and to build those type of properties. And so that's the number one tip, is to, when you're buying or trying to wholesale land, you have to get at a very steep discount. I say 20% or less of the fair market value. All right, so now I'm about to call the owner and let's see if I'm able to get a discount with this land, or just offer. They may reject me on a live phone call, but this is for you all, to add value to you all and to just grow my experience. Hey Judy, how's it going?
I'm going fine. How about you?
Good. Yeah, so we just looked over, I guess, the property and the different numbers. Yeah, and just knowing that it's, it's pretty slanted, the property and whatnot. And we may not be the best solution for you, but we'll be around 2,000.
How much?
2,000?
No, forget it.
Okay.
You see how lots are everywhere else.
Okay. I mean, how much? You say you're looking around the 7 grand price range?
Yes.
Okay. Is that the best number? Let's say we can close like tomorrow. Is that the best?
Yeah, 7,000. You have it. I mean, check around the other places.
Got you. And so the lot, it being really slanted. I mean, could you build a residential property on it?
Yes, you could.
Okay. Got you. Okay. Well, I mean, do you have anything else that you have, another property, or was that the only thing you have?
No, I had some, but I sold it to Belgians and everything. So.
Okay.
And I had commercial property and everything.
Okay.
But, this year, if you want it, fine. That's fine. I mean, if you give me 6,000 or 7,000, you have it, you probably make off of it, build a house, whatever. That, if I sell it, fine. If I don't, fine.
Got you. Okay. So I guess your price, I mean, the lowest is six grand.
6 is as low as I'm gonna go, because I get more than that part. The one across from it is 15,000.
Okay. Yeah, so are they listing that one for sale too, or?
Oh, that's bunch listed right across from it, straight up. It's 15,000.
Okay. Okay.
Well,
Yeah.
You can build a house on this, and anybody, you see these houses at Gatlinburg and
Right. Gotcha. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, because it's just that we saw like recently there was a lot sold around that area for like
Yeah.
3,300, and so
No, I'm not
okay.
going to do that. I'll just let it sit there because, I mean, I'll be losing big time taking when I said I'd take for it.
Got you. Okay. Well, yeah, I appreciate the call. I mean, if anything changes or if we can reconsider our numbers, we'll let you know.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. Thank you. Have a good night. So as you all just heard, I just got rejected. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. As you all heard that she started around 7,000, 7,500. And even on the call when she rejected my number, she still kind of went down. She went down to eventually 6 grand. I was keep on pressing her saying, so is that the best number you can do? Let's say we can sign tomorrow. Let's say what's the lowest that you can go, and she actually went down to 6 grand, which is not that bad for a $20,000 valuation in the land. But this is land, and it's so iffy with land, and you don't know how fast you can sell land. Land usually takes lower to sell if it's not at a super deep discount, and so I truly believe two grand, 2 or 3 grand was probably the max I could go with the land. And so it's just not a fit for us. And as you heard over the phone, I said, hey, we may not be the best solution for you, but we're trying to help you as much as we can. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like it, subscribe, comment down below if you have any questions, and let me know about your land deals. All right, peace.